volunteers that help quite a bit. And if you're familiar with NAK collection, Nouman Ali Khan collection, anything of mine that ever ends up on the internet, I think they've bugged my phone. I don't know. But anything that I've ever said somehow ends up on NAK collection. I've never met these people. I don't even know who they are. Okay? Yeah, they have a Facebook page. Yeah. That's not me. But they say it officially. It's not, we just want to put everything he says on this Facebook page, something crazy. But there is a virtual, following. I didn't ask for it. I didn't even know who these people were. But and I think the theory here is if they believe in what you're doing, then they'll jump in and do it on their own terms. And I can't stop them. They're doing it on their own terms. They respect what I say, but they're really their own organization. I never even tell them what to do. You know? I'll tell you which masjid gets consistent volunteers.